The DL351 is the largest of MIDAS's modular I/O boxes. Again, dual power supplies, indicators on the front panel showing the status of the 4 AS50 links, also a display screen to allow you to set up the ID number of this box, and also some of the other parameters without having to use a console to do that. Spin it around, you can see the two integral power supplies. The whole thing's quite happy running on a single supply should you have any kind of issues with the power input or the supply itself. The 351 is a modular box, so it takes up to 8 MIDAS I/O cards. There are many different types of I/O card available. They are on an 8x8 basis. So we have 8 channels of MIDAS mic pre. Alternative cards include an 8-way XLR analog output card, an 18 8-out analog card on TRS connectors, an 18 8-out digital card on 4 AES EBU input-output pairs, or an 18 8-out analog card which includes 8 MIDAS mic pre's configured with D-sub connectors rather than XLRs. To change the format of the box, simply remove the 2 screws, pull the card out and replace with another card of the more appropriate type. So this I/O box is totally user configurable, and you then just use the console software to tell the console which cards you've changed in the box, if any. As well as dual power supplies, we have GPIO connectors, which can be used for triggering external opto relay events as part of the console's automation. We have MIDI in, out and through, which again connects any external MIDI devices with the console's automation system. And we have the 4 AS50 ports. So again, 3 of the AS50 ports are required for primary operation. The 4th AS50 port is our spare redundant link. So in the event of any of the 3 primary cables failing, the system will automatically reroute the audio through the redundant cable. Last of all, we have our Ethernet control port, which allows you to control the box remotely from a PC computer with a MIDAS application if you're using this as a standalone unit or as part of a Snake system or without one of the consoles.